they did was in a time pin, and they were always wearing crash-offs. Right, I'm out of trouble now for about 3 seconds. Tell you what, you've just seen some incredible backflips, but the Showtime team is known for taking it a step further and making it a little bit more dangerous every time we go out and do a show. So if we get one guy in here doing a trick right now, we got 3 of the best in the business. Do you want to see all 3 of them in the air at the same time doing the same trick? It looks like they want to do some more. Maybe put on off, maybe over here. So they're keen for some more. If you guys want to see some more, what do you say? Should we run up the train once again? Why don't tell these guys, get them out for mercy story. Woo! Hey, Adelaide, I'm not joking when I say it's a highlight for us to come back year after year. We love coming down here because you guys are all awesome. Please, put your hands together. Chainsaw, speaking, Sunburst, doing their thing for us up there. We're going to be back tonight again as well. Full nighttime entertainment package happening early in the evening. No, we're going to get off. We're going to save it for tonight because we're going to... Here's the deal, I always say this, it's up to you guys, okay? If you've had enough, just stand there, sit there absolutely quietly, we'll pack up, get out of here, it's up to you. Let's send the boys out one more time. If you want to know where these guys are every time of year, make sure you join up on the Facebook page, Showtime FMX. On Facebook, we always do giveaways and contests with incredible stuff from all of our sponsors. And of course, these guys will be at the Nitro Circus live show in May. We're opening up our next Australian tour of Nitro Circus right here in Adelaide. First shows for 2014 will be here, so make sure you come and join us. You guys have been awesome, but you did ask for one more, so I'm going to ask for one more from you guys. If you can whistle, start whistling right